In Laos, traditional weaving is an important pillar of cultural identity and economic resilience. In Luang Prabang as elsewhere, weaving workshops perpetuate this ancestral art, weaving not only fabrics but also the narrative of a nation. This know-how, passed down from generation to generation, mainly by women, is a living tribute to the Laotian heritage. Each thread represents a part of history, and every pattern symbolizes a belief, thus illustrating the cultural and spiritual diversity of Laos through the fabric. The importance of weaving in Laotian culture goes beyond aesthetics to deeply root in traditions and rites of passage. It is the expression of a community, a silent language of colors and shapes that celebrates the country's ethnic diversity. Economically, these workshops are the beating heart of rural communities, providing weavers with a livelihood while propelling Laotian craftsmanship onto the international stage. Luxury fabrics, crafted for weddings, religious ceremonies, and occasionally sought by passing tourists, are not exclusive to Luang Prabang. Vientiane also hosts renowned weaving workshops, showcasing Laotian artisanal refinement. Laos celebrates the art of weaving, both in its vibrant metropolises of Vientiane and Luang Prabang, and within its tranquil tribal villages. In the cities, weaving symbolizes refinement and cultural diversity, attracting connoisseurs and enthusiasts alike. In contrast, in the villages, it takes on a more intimate dimension, being the main economic resource and a cornerstone of cultural identity. Thus, while the craft of weaving thrives throughout the country, its significance varies, reflecting the nuances of Laotian traditions and heritage. The delicate art of weaving and embroidery is particularly manifested in the creation of traditional outfits, whose patterns and styles vary from one region to another. In Phou Khoun, several workshops specialize in crafting these costumes, thereby weaving a tangible link between the past and the present through the prism of local craftsmanship. As one moves away from the urban bustle and delves into the tranquility of the traditional countryside, the art of weaving becomes more deeply intertwined with local traditions, relying on techniques and materials of an eloquent simplicity.
This for a wedding for this guy on. Our look high, height same to me, and height same loud. Palaka. Sampai palang orang usaha nak, mesti ngai usaha orang mana, orang orang oh pegang hilang mana, pegang. Cukup ya tengah orang, sampai palang ukarnya, hai orang.